Get ready for a heartwarming Christmas celebration with a special focus on security. Commissioner Rawalpindi Division, Liaquat Ali Chatta, assures the Christian community of foolproof security for Christmas. He emphasizes the importance of respecting all religions and minorities, highlighting that the security of Pakistan depends on our attitude towards others. Liaquat Ali Chatta emphasizes the teachings of Islam, promoting unity, love, and respect for different beliefs. He calls for active participation from everyone to ensure peace and security in the country. The administration's efforts to ensure the safety and rights of the Christian community are appreciated by Pastor Adel. The cooperation and support provided are crucial in maintaining a peaceful atmosphere during the Christmas celebrations. Let's come together to spread love and create a peaceful world by embracing the teachings of all religions. Wishing everyone a joyous and secure Christmas celebration. Please like, share, and subscribe Yzee News.